Hello guys, welcome to Harmony Store. On today's tech review, I will be talking about the HP LaserJet MFP M236D printer. It's a high productivity, high compact printer that can fit it anywhere you want to use this printer. Maybe in your office, in your house, room, anywhere that you want to use this printer. The MFP M236D printer for short, it's a mono printer. That means it's black and white prints alone. It doesn't print color. So the D at the back of the M236, it stands for duplex. So it means with this printer you can do two-sided printing automatically without you turning the paper without you turning the paper manually by yourself. So what it simply means is you feed in your paper to the printer receives the signal and turn the paper automatically for you to print two-sided way. So that's just what it means. So the MFP M236 printer that I'm talking about, it's a 3-in-1 printer. It prints for you, scan, copy, and it's a LaserJet. So LaserJet printer use the toner cartridges. So if you have this printer, you use it whenever you want to use, and you just drop it when you are not using. This printer can give you 20 pages paper per minute. So within a minute, you can print up to 20 pages of paper on this. It has an inbuilt memory of 256 megabytes. The inbuilt memory just works for the speed at which the printer responds to your mobile devices or maybe your laptop when you are printing. The MFP M236 has a mono screen in front. So with the mono screen, you can get to see what is going on with your printer, if there is an error, if it's printing or if it's not printing. So you can easily detect from the mono screen that comes with it. MFP M236D uses 136A toner. The 136A toner comes with is a setup toner that comes with the printer. It can yield up to 200 pages printed for you. But when it's finished and you are replacing the toner, 136A toner can give you up to 1,500 pages per toner for you. So MFP M236 printer paper handling takes up to 150 sheets per paper. So if you have a document of about 300 pages, that means you have to make it like 150 first, then 150 goes. So you feed in your paper in here and it comes out from here automatically for you. The print resolution of the printer is 600 by 600 dpi. That's the resolution that comes with it. The printer doesn't come with a printer cable, so when you're coming to get the printer, have it in mind that you are going to buy a printer cable with MFP M236D printer. If you are getting this printer from Harmony stores in IKEJA City Mall, you are getting a ream of paper free attached to this lovely printer that you are looking at here. So why should you get this printer from Harmony store? Aside from Harmony store being one of the most trusted brand and reliable brand that we have in Nigeria, our we sell in Harmony store is strictly from the right channel, right partner, and is for West Africa. So meaning if the printer is not for this our region, we definitely not sell it, so you won't be having issues with your supplies. So aside from that, we sell genuine products in the store only, and it comes with a 1-year warranty. So any of the HP printers you are getting in our store, 1-year manufacturer warranty that comes with it. You can get this printer in any of the Harmony store in Nigeria. If you find our video interesting, don't forget to like, share, and follow us for more reviews on your printers, on laptops, on your gadgets, on Harmony Store NG. Stay tuned.